Bathing the corona. Bathing the corona. Quickly, can't go away. The corona echo. Apologies. We made a mistake. We gave you wrong results. I thank you, Corona. And I thank you, amazing.
Welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Guys, we are talking about Ujatu Godo from Ukhozi FM. It was reported that Ukhozi FM decided to temporarily shut down after Kati Dejata Ngobe tested positive for the coronavirus. It turned out that the radio presenter was diagnosed incorrectly and given a false positive result. Jata showed no symptoms of the virus and was not in contact with anyone who had previously been diagnosed. He was scheduled to travel and was required to test for COVID-19. Informing his listeners, he said he isolated himself as part of quarantine. The SABC confirmed that the initial results were incorrectly given out and that their presenter was negative. The laboratory that was involved in the mix-up is JDJ Diagnostics Laboratory. A source told Daily Sun that SABC reporters made their way to that laboratory to verify the mix-up. SABC spokesperson Momi Siapolela issued a statement to Daily Sun, and it partly read, the confirmation for the positive result, test result was reported yesterday, was based on the official lab result presented to the employee. The employee has been since alerted by the lab in question that an error occurred during the initial testing, and the employee was presented with the new test result, whose outcome was negative. Guys, yeah, this is the very critical and dangerous situation. Just imagine if Jata was quarantined with the infected people while he was negative. How many errors that have happened and not reported to the community? Leave your comment, guys, below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.